2020, the DoD becomes the first military in the world to adopt these 5 AI ethical principles. And exactly as you were saying, it's fine to have these 5 principles, but what does this actually look like if you're doing development work on the ground, if you're an operational end user? What happens when they conflict? What happens when you're in a high conflict scenario? How do you translate between all of those levels? So last year, the DSD issued the Responsible AI Strategy and Implementation Pathway that outlined 64 lines of effort for how we were actually going to do this. And it's everything from education to data and model card efforts to test and evaluation harnesses and tools, and so on, right? And we thought, oh, maybe this will solve it. We'll just build these 64 things, and then we'll finally know, how to operationalize these 5 principles, right? So turns out that actually, if you just build those capabilities out, it's hard to know how to find the right tool and know how to use it at the right time, right? So what I spearheaded was I was the chief architect of the DoD's Responsible AI Toolkit. And what we did is we did really deep dives into all of these assessments and checklists, like John was talking about, into NIST's AI RMF and playbook. And we basically did a bunch of tabletop exercises, and we looked at what the delta was between those resources and what was going to actually be usable for the DoD given its wide variety of use cases.